was so impressed with the selection that I went ahead and signed up personally. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you are new, welcome. My name is Mandy, and I have a very fun video today because this video is in partnership with Fab Fit Fun to talk about their amazing subscription box and show you my first box. Even though this is my first box, I want to go ahead and tell you that when I was choosing my products for this box, I was so impressed with the selection that I went ahead and signed up personally. So I don't do partnerships with things I don't put myself behind, so I wanted to let y'all know that for sure. But let's talk about what Fab Fit Fun is. And then we are going to open up my fun box and see what I chose. So Fab Fit Fun is a membership that allows you to choose 6 full-size products and have it sent to your door in the Fab Fit Fun box every season. So 4 times a year, you're gonna have different themed boxes, different things you can choose from. And again, it is 6 full-size products that are valued up to $350 per box. Now, for this special fall box, you get a 7th full-size product. So that is something they are doing specifically for the fall box. And this is not just beauty related. Okay, yes, there are beauty items, but it's beauty, it's fashion, it's tech, it's home, it's fitness, it's wellness. It runs the gamut of everything lifestyle, and you get to choose between all of those things just for one box. I personally like that because I find myself typically shopping for beauty items while often neglecting other things that may need to be purchased for my home, and this kind of forces me to look at some of those options and choose accordingly, which I did for this box as well. Another perk to being a member is that you get access to flash sales that FabFitFun put on throughout the year, where you can get up to 70% off the brands that are carried within FabFitFun, which is huge. And there are 2 different tiers. The best value for the membership is the annual membership, which is $259.96 for all 4 boxes. This averages $65 per box. And the perks of having the annual membership on top of the discount you get per box is that you get first dibs at choosing what you want, you get first access to the flash sales, and you get first shipping. So your box will ship faster than seasonal members. If you choose to do a seasonal membership, it's $79.99 per box. All in all, the average member saves about $500 in their first season just from the massive discounts you're getting on the products. I do have coupon codes for each of those options of membership. So if you want to choose the seasonal membership, you can get 20% off your first box using the code MANDY at checkout. And if you choose to do the annual membership, you can use the code MANDYGIFT. And what that does is it gets you a $200 free gift in your first box. So let's go ahead and jump in and see what I chose for my fall 2025 Fab Fit Fun box. What's really fun is that I remember loving what I picked, but I don't remember what I picked. So this is gonna be kind of like a surprise for everyone involved. So really pretty little mural on the box. Fresh picks. That design goes all throughout the box. Very pretty. Very fall-like. I'm so ready for the leaves to change colors and drop, and for pumpkin everything and cooler weather. I'm so ready. This is so exciting because again, I forgot what I had picked. Let's start with the 2 beauty products that I chose. This is the Bondi Boost HG Heat Protect Spray. This says it can be used on wet or dry hair and to mist it on before you style. So I'm gonna try this both on wet hair before I blow dry, but also on my hair before I use a flat iron to curl to see how it works out. But I had never used this specific Bondi Boost product. I've used some others of theirs. It smells really good. So that's the first beauty item I chose. And then the second is from Dr. Brandt. This is the Pore Purifying Cleanser. I feel like my nose has really needed some pore clarifying products lately. So whether I'm using like a BHA exfoliant or a little bit of a stronger cleanser like this one, I feel like I'm needing it and I feel like it helps. So I'm looking forward to using this. It does include salicylic acid, tea tree oil, and white willow bark. And this is full size. And then this product, I guess, can be a little bit considered beauty. It's from the new company, and this is the Magnesium Ease. is a sleep support body spray. Now, I've tried like pillow sprays before, and I don't know if it's placebo or what, but I do feel like it helped. So this has magnesium chloride, which aids in support of sleep and muscle recovery. It has lavender extract, which is obviously calming for sleep. And then it also has arnica extract, which supports muscle recovery and can aid reduction in tension. So this can be used before you go to bed to help calm you, or it can be used directly on the skin after a workout for muscle soreness. And that's why I was interested in this, because I'm gonna see if it helps with muscle soreness. I'm not the biggest fan of lavender, and this is not highly offensive to me. Definitely not enough for me not to use it. So I'm gonna try that out after my next hard workout, and I'll get back to y'all on that. So those are the only beauty items I chose. The next 4 items are gonna be more fashion related. And this one isn't so much fashion, but it is technically a bag. And it's from Modern Picnic. And it's this lunchbox. And the reason I chose this is because when I need to carry my food somewhere, which lately for some reason has been often, I've been having to use my kids' lunchboxes. Now my kids are teenagers, okay? But I'm still not using the same lunchboxes they are. So I wanted one that was separate, that didn't look so obvious as a lunchbox. And I'm even gonna be using this today. We're giving blood this afternoon, and I need to take my food with me to eat right after. And I will be using this. The next item is a sweatshirt, and this is from We Wore What, and it's their crew neck sweatshirt in this shade 602 maroon. This is it right here. I got the size small. I will insert a little clip of me wearing it. It is plain except for this patch right down here that says We Wore What Wellness Club, established 2010, New York, New York. So I like that little kind of pop of something on an otherwise plain sweatshirt, but I love a plain sweatshirt because I feel like I can wear it more often and with more things. The last 2 products are accessories. These are some sunglasses. These are from Steve Madden, and I chose these for 2 reasons. One, because all of my sunglasses are way bigger than these, and I felt like I needed to see if I still preferred larger sunglasses over smaller ones. And these have nose pieces, which I typically do not go for, but it's been a long time since I haven't gone for them. And I do wear glasses on a regular basis now. So I was like, you know what, maybe I'll just be used to it. So I decided to get these Steve Madden glasses. So see, they're more like oval, and they're not as large as I typically wear. However, my main thing is I don't want my brows to show that much over the rim of the glasses. And while I can see a little bit, I can't see all of it, which is my main thing. I don't want to see all of it. So I'm going to be testing those nose pieces out, and it's nice to have another option because truly all my other sunglasses are massive. And it does come with a case as well. And then finally, this might be my favorite. This is from Adina Eden. Comes in a cute little pink pouch with the name on the front. And this is the emerald green baguette earring and necklace combo. If you don't know, green of any shade is my absolute favorite color of all time. I cannot have enough of it. But when we're talking like emerald and Kelly green, like these, I am all about it. So hopefully you can see this has the emerald baguettes alternating with the diamonds. And I like how you can wear them horizontally or vertically, depending on how you want the look to come out. And then the necklace matches the earrings in the emerald green and diamond. I'm telling you, if something is green, I'm gonna get it. I'm definitely gonna want it. I'm most likely gonna get it. So hopefully you can see the variety of things you can choose from, how it's definitely more than just beauty, and the value of the box that you can get. So I personally love this. I love the customization of it. And if you are someone who wants to try it out as well, don't forget about those 2 different codes that I have, depending on whether you want seasonal or annual memberships. I will have those down below in the description box, along with lots of other information regarding FabFitFun. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Thank y'all so much for watching. I will see you in my next one, and I hope you all go out and have a very blessed day.